guys, so today I'm literally at the restaurant called Matchbox, but I'm at the mall and they have a restaurant near the mall, and it's my 28th birthday, and yeah, these fries, my first time trying it. Wow, the fries are really tiny. I'm gonna show you guys. So that's what it looks like.
Ooh, this ketchup is good.
And I have like my lemonade drink, and it matches this. And so probably later today I'll probably go in the mall and take you guys with me. And I'm just gonna have a good time. I'm gonna try this burger on camera. Let me try. Okay, so my first time trying a Smashbox burger, and we're gonna see what it tastes like. Actually, should I put ketchup on it? I really don't want it to fall on me. This literally, I wouldn't know. Well, obviously it's not vegan, but I mean, it looks like vegan. So like the salad looks really clean, like looks really good. But we're gonna try. It's good.
Really good.
Guys. Wow, the burger tastes A1.
Can we have some more ketchup?
Of course, we can bring it. Guys, I'm gonna show you guys my mom's plate. Hey guys, so I'm gonna show you guys my mom's plate, but this is my plate right here. And I'm gonna show you her plate. It's her plate. Period. And then she said it tastes really, really good. She got the same thing as me. And then she got like a little drink right there. I don't know the name of the drink. What is it called again?
Mimosa.
Okay, yeah, mimosa.
Peach mimosa.
Peach mimosa. And then I have a regular strawberry lemonade. So yeah.
Does your phone use memory card too? No?
I don't know about iPhones. I just know that the battery is built in. But with Canon camera, you have to, if you want more space, you have to buy like I think it's a SD card. Yeah, you have to buy an SD card for space.
So your phone doesn't have a space for memory card? It doesn't. Your phone doesn't have like a space for memory.
No, with
memory
iPhone,
card?
how? With iPhone users, you have to pay for like space in your phone. Like it's kind of like a payment type of thing. But for Google, like space in your phone.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like an iCloud?
iCloud is different. iCloud is like, I don't remember if it's something, I mean, I think iCloud is like backup, right?
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Well, yeah. It's alive. So good.
There's extra ketchup if you want it.
Extra. I'm not really a big ketchup person unless like I have potatoes or like, you know. But trying to be a content creator. Okay. camera, which is I showed you guys. And I'm gonna let you guys know when I'm done, and I'll be able to go in the mall, show you guys the stores. So stay tuned. Yes.
1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday for my God. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you guys so much. Yes, that's my daughter.
Thank you guys.
That's my daughter. Yes.
They look like sisters.
We're twins. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Guys, they're so nice.
Yes. Happy birthday, princess.
Oh
My
my
mom's play right there.
Happy birthday, Jada. You're 28. Yes, girl. It's the birthday girl. It's the birthday girl. It's the birthday blessing.
Ready? I'll make
The
a wish.
birthday blessing. Make a wish. Happy birthday, Jada! It's so beautiful. Yay! How does it taste? Good?
This is a regular cheesecake one, right?
Yeah, with blue. I think it has blueberry.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I think so.
They probably put that as a topping, but
Yeah. It's good?
the whipped cream.
All right.
Yes,
Let's see
it's
you,
giving.
girl.
It's giving everything. right?
Everything.
Yeah.
Everything.
Period. So you already know in the last clip that I said it's my birthday. So I'm just probably gonna go to any store and see what they have. And yeah, I feel really cute. I did my hair by myself, and it took me like 4 days, but I'm loving it. I'm loving it so much. Yeah. Should I go in H&M or for Forever 21? I don't know. Maybe I'm gonna check Forever 21 to see what they have. So I'm in Forever 21, and they actually have like a whole bunch of Hello Kitty stuff. And yeah, I don't know if I should get like a couple pieces. I kind of want to, but there's Hello Kitty nails, and these are like $14.99. Yeah, expensive, but I don't know. Maybe I might get it. They literally have Barbie nails right here. Like, that's so cute. I don't know if I should get it. But pink is not really my favorite color, but I'm thinking about getting it right now. So guys, Forever 21 doesn't have anything that I actually like, because everything is so tiny. And your girl is not tiny, so yeah, we're gonna check somewhere else. Okay, you guys, I don't know if you can hear me. Literally, I tried on a bodysuit. They have a pink version of this, and I'm gonna try it on. And I have a couple dresses, so I'm gonna show you guys. So I tried on this blue one. It's super cute, but the only thing is these dresses are way too long, but I think I like that because I could actually like tie it at the end or something. But yeah, I don't really have a lot of varieties of dresses at home, and I love these colors, so I feel like I might get them. And they're really kind of like loose in a way, so I feel like I should get them. I don't know, you guys let me know. Okay guys, so I tried this one on. This one's super cute, and I feel like I do like this one more because my girls already like make like the dress like how do I say, like my girls support the dress itself, so like really I don't even have to worry about with this, but this is so cute and I love it. I wish they had varieties of colors like this and like blue and different shades, but I don't know, I do need dresses, so we'll see. Okay guys, so this one is like just like the pink one. It fits the same way. I'm definitely gonna get it because I don't have anything that's green. Okay guys, so this one's super cute. It's kind of giving cheetah vibes, but also girly vibes at the same time. And I really, really love this one too. It has pink in it. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna get it. Okay guys, so literally I found this orange romper and it's so cute. I literally love it. I hope you guys can hear me for real, but yeah, I love this color on me and it brings me out. The only thing is I would have to tie the sides or like wear like heels or something with it. But this is so cute and I love the color. This would have been so cute, but it's too tight. Like you can literally see the V right there. And yeah, no. And then in the back, I don't like the lining in the back. And then when I tried to put it on, it was literally like tight to pull it up. When I was trying to pull it up, it was really too tight. So yeah, I don't know. It's super cute. If it didn't have the lining and if it wasn't so tight here, it definitely would work. But the top is obviously good, but it's just the bottom that kind of feels like a little, I don't know, I don't like it. It feels a little tight, but it is cute though. I don't know. Okay guys, so this one's just like the other one kind of, except this one is not super tight and it doesn't have a lining in the back. This is so cute. I think I'm gonna get this one. I just need to find like an orange type of dress, but I don't know, we'll see. But I'm loving this. I'm loving this so much. Guys, so I just left Primark, which is like a good store. It's kind of like a Burlington, like a Marshall's type of store. I had got some underwears from there, and I also forgot to tell you guys, well, I'm gonna show you guys in the clip, but you did see me try on some clothes from Charlotte Russe, like rompers. They're really, really cute, and I hope you guys like them. Sorry I keep looking away from the camera, but yeah, I'm feeling super cute in the mall. I feel super cute right now, and I don't know what else I'm gonna get right now. I don't know what I should get. Honestly, I don't know if I should get makeup, like a Fenty Beauty. I don't know. It's like I kind of want to try it because everyone's saying her products are good, but I do have foundation at home, but the only thing is I'm running out of concealer. And yeah, so I don't know, we'll see guys. So unfortunately I couldn't like find anything else to shop for, so I don't know, I'm just gonna go to the movies close by. Sorry, that's like foundation that I went to Sephora to see if they could do any sample on me. But yeah, I don't really feel like going home and changing and doing the whole makeup thing tonight, so I might have to do that tomorrow to celebrate again. I might have to show you guys later on about the process. Stay tuned. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell. And yeah, I love you.